up, though, host? It's Lachey Trio, aka Pimp the Only Daddy That You Ever Knew. And today we're about to get into this half up, half down hairstyle that I created out of this 13x6 lace frontal. This is a reinstall from the last wig that y'all was playing me up in my comments section that y'all forgot to make y'all goddamn page private because y'all know I was gonna roast your ass back. But any fucking ways, I did burn my head a little bit from the hot comb from that bob wig that I did. Y'all ain't see it yet. I'll post it later whenever the fuck I feel like it, right? Yeah, but I did burn my head and I can't put no makeup on today. It is what it is. And of course I am sectioning this hair off the way I feel like it. And let me get into this because a lot of y'all don't know that I create digital marketing products, aka DIY flyers, DIY hair tags, different things that you can utilize for your business. This is my new lace card never declines, hair card never declines, lash card never declines, braid card never declines, nail card never declines. Make sure you get you one to look good on your Instagram, your Facebook, anything. You will never find nothing like this. I made all that, okay? Yeah. But anyways, let's get into this because I am pushing all of these little stragglers, these little loose hairs in the front to the back because I hate when I am reinstalling a wig and the loose hairs in the front are getting caught into either the glue, the gel, whatever I'm using to tack the wig down. It looked dumb. It looked tacky. You got to make sure you get them up out of the way to have a nice, clean install or reinstall, right? So I'm going to go and put these toddler hairs in. Let me open up this and put this gel on so that my lace can stick down. Yeah, I got a little tongue tied. But anyways, my wig is getting a little bit bald in the front. So I'm going to have to cut that off. Man, y'all fucking business, okay? I don't know why I showed y'all that shit, but I did. Oh, fucking well, right? Now, I'm going to go ahead and mold these toddler hairs with my mousse. Because who the fuck gonna tell me that I can't put toddler hairs up in my wig? Not you? The fuck? Anyways, now if y'all want all of these hair products, they will be in the Amazon link that's in either the description or the bio. Click either one. Yeah. So of course I did need to take this band off of here in order to actually shape this this ponytail because it wasn't coming out right, me trying to do it with the band on, which is why you're going to see, and I pulled it a little bit too tight, which is why you're going to see my lace come up in the front. Not worried about it. We're just gonna put some more product up under there. Yeah, put it up under there. Spray. Put it back. Put the band back down. Yeah. And I did wrap this wrapping paper on there for this cackle line hair because I was going to glue the braid on there. But I just thought about it. I ain't feel like it. I just put the Tresemme spray on there. And y'all see me looking goofy as hell because it came out right. Because y'all don't understand. It actually took me about 45 minutes just to get this up there. Because first of all, I made a fat ass braid and it was looking dumb because my ponytail ain't that thick, because I was gonna put some more hair on there, but I just decided not to. I didn't feel like doing all that. Okay, I was being a little lazy. I just wanted my hair done just for now, right? And don't ask me how to flat iron hair. Some of y'all was asking me how to flat iron hair in the last comment. I don't. You better figure it out. Read the description on the box. Okay, it's real ABC 1 2 3, real simple. Okay, and in order for me to mold this top ponytail, I did use some Tresemme spray and then flat ironed it. Yeah. Yeah. Now, the style is done. I am going to put a little bit of bronzer on there just to hide the lace, just a tiny bit, okay? Just a tiny bit. It ain't worth that much, but I still like the style anyways. It did come out cute, okay? Let me know if y'all like it. Let me know if y'all don't like it in the comment section. See y'all later.